In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in on Coinbase with a passkey in 2025. This modern method of accessing your account is not only secure, but also incredibly convenient, eliminating the need for traditional passwords. Let's dive in and explore how you can set this up and make your login process seamless. So, to start with, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Coinbase's official website, which is coinbase.com. This ensures that you're not accidentally accessing a phishing site and maintains the security of your login process. Once the site is fully loaded, you'll see an option at the top corner, usually the right side, labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. Now, provided you've already set up a passkey for your account during your initial setup or a recent login, you'll see an option that says Log in with Passkey. This option is becoming more common as services move towards password-less solutions for increased security and user convenience. Select this option to proceed. At this stage, your browser or device will prompt you to authenticate using one of several available methods. Depending on your device's capabilities, you might see options such as fingerprint recognition, if your device has a fingerprint scanner, face recognition, if your device supports facial recognition technology, or perhaps a more traditional device screen lock method like a personal identification number, commonly known as a PIN, or a password you use to unlock your device itself. Choose the method that you've previously saved or prefer to use. It's all about what's available on your device and what you feel is the most convenient while maintaining that high level of security for your sensitive financial information. Once you select your authentication method, whether it's placing your finger on a sensor, looking at your device, or typing in your PIN or password, the device will quickly verify your identity. After successfully authenticating, you'll notice the beauty of a passkey system. You'll be logged in almost instantly. There's no need to remember or manage complex passwords, and no tedious typing is needed. The whole process is designed to be fast, secure, and efficient, giving you access to your Coinbase account with just a tap or a glance. This concludes the simple yet powerful method of logging into Coinbase using a passkey in 2025. By adopting this approach, you enhance your account's security drastically while making your login process easier and quicker. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.